Today, I'm here to share with you a comprehensive technique for essential oil back massage. Begin by evenly applying the essential oil to the back, spreading it out thoroughly. Use the palm of your hand to massage the back, extending down to the waist, then moving up towards both shoulders. Next, gently pull and stimulate the Feng Qi and Feng Fu acupoints. Continue by massaging the shoulder and neck areas, paying special attention to tired muscles. Apply pressure to soothe fatigued tendons. Use a clenched fist to knead, focusing on the trapezius muscle. This can be repeated several times. Use the pad of your thumb to massage along both shoulder blades. Then press and stimulate the Tianzong acupoint to calm the shoulders. Combine your thumbs to press along the governor vessel, moving down and warming up the entire waist area before withdrawing your hands. Proceed to massage the left side of the bladder meridian, extending down to the waist and then pulling back. Do the same for the right side of the bladder meridian. Use a clenched fist to knead along the entire spine, reaching down to the waist, warming up the entire waist area. Use the palm of your hand to massage the back again, extending down to the waist. Finally, return to massaging both shoulders. Have you got it?